Hi, everyone. Today, we are going to practice daily routine phrases in English. Let's go. I wake up early. I wake up early. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I check my phone. I check my phone. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I check my email. I check my email. I start working. I start working. I take a short break. I take a short break. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I finish my work. I finish my work. I go back home. I go back home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I relax on the sofa. I relax on the sofa. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.